We got more cards to do. 2019 Absolute Football. We did another box. Still, it's within reach of still. We did this one on a previous. So maybe what I'll do is maybe make these two like back to back, or make it the same video if I have to. But this is a different box. 64 cards in that box. There were 40 in this one. So we'll see. I don't remember the difference when I was buying them from a price perspective, but this one obviously has more cards. So we'll get into it. 2019 Absolute Football from Panini. We talked about earlier the Ben Roethlisberger elbow injury. Maybe the Panini Absolute Football. Hey, it's packs. That's nice. It's like the new Madden curse, right? Can't go on a box of Panini Absolute Football. You're going to get injured. We'll have to keep an eye on that in the future. So, look for the ultra rare Kaboom insert. I would love to find a Kaboom insert just for the video, right? Be pretty cool to find. So, let's get after it. It's late. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 64. 8 packs. 8 packs. 8 cards per pack. We should find 3 green parallels. We should find an auto or a memorabilia card. Let's dive in. Let's see if I can tear these. Nope. I just get nervous. I know. I told you already. It's just as easy just to do this, and you don't have to worry about bending any corners. Justice Hill, rookie. Jonathan Abram, rookie. Tony Pollard, rookie. And Kelvin Harmon, rookie. Cam Chancellor, Gridiron Force. Seattle Seahawk. We got a Khalil Mack. Turn out the Mac. We got Cameron Brate. And we have the Hilton himself, T.Y. So a base. We've got an insert, and we've got 4 rookies in that pack. Let's see how the theme goes as we go. Let's do this. We'll keep our base here, our inserts, and our rookies. We'll see what else we pull. And this one, we've got a kid reporter. Who would have thought? Yay, kid reporters. All right, Marquise Brown. Nice. I just bought this card off of somebody on eBay. Now I have 2. After a great week 1, I was excited to see, what Marquise had to do this year. So I went out and started collecting some of his cards. So now I've got another one that's cool. Greedy Williams. Oh, who names their kid Greedy? It's probably a backstory. And I don't know it. Darrell Henderson. Taylor Rapp. Nice. NFL icon Tom Brady. You're freaking right, he is. Insert. Put it there. What do we got? We got a base, Julio Jones. You guys see that he had that touchdown Monday night, reached 20 miles an hour. Freaking scorched him. Andy Dalton. Joe Flacco. 2 guys that, good for you. Don't know when it's time to hang them up. Might be soon, boys. Or not. I guess there's plenty of teams that are looking at needing quarterbacks right now, so maybe you are in high demand. Pack number 3. David Sills the 5th. It's a lot of Sills. Austin Bryant. I don't know, guys. It looks like that helmet's a little big for him. Might just be the picture. If it's not, man, this is actually pretty funny. Hey, I got my rookie card, Daddy. They didn't have a helmet my size, but I got this one. Deontay Johnson, Preston Williams, Josh Allen. What the heck? Come on, man. They messed up his name with the foil. Look, you can see the L is kind of covered. I don't know if it's supposed to be. I don't think so. But it's Josh Allen, green parallel. I don't remember seeing any of those here, so I'm going to move him there. We have a Leonard Fournette base card. We have an Eli I don't start anymore Manning base. We have Stephon Gilmore. All I do is stop touchdowns. All right, moving on. Man, it's 2019, you know, I don't know what players, hey, who, Kid Reporter, I'm looking to get within these. Hey, look, right after the Eli I don't start anymore, we pull a Daniel Jones. I'm now the starter giant. You can sit right there. Darwin Thompson, rookie. Obviously, there's rookies. JJ Whiteside, Drew Sample. Sample of what, Drew? What do we got here? We have team trios. Big Ben, Juju, and James. Funny what a year difference of time that used to be. Antonio, Ben, and Bell. Oh, it's slightly different now, Steeler fan. We've got Richard Sherman, base. Oh, wait. Was that a green Flacco? Did I miss a green Flacco? Nope. Just a reflection. Beautiful. Another Patrick Mahomes. I'll take it. I'm going to put him over here where he belongs. And then Odell. Mr. Beckham. Patrick is lighting up the NFL right now. Happy for him. Two good guys right there. Two young quarterbacks. Josh Allen, Patrick Mahomes. Little different styles. I think Josh is perfect for Buffalo. I think Patrick's perfect for Kansas City, based on, you know, those towns, those cities, those fans, those teams. Good job. Debo just stole the show this last week. Got himself a touch in that route. Paris Campbell. Anthony Johnson. Rodney Anderson. Hey, we have the Tom Brady's backup. Jarrett. Will I ever play a game for the Patriots? Ooh. Here we go. It's the Absolute Rookies Materials. Miles Boykin. Miles has got a chance this year. I don't know if they can keep it up. Baltimore with Lamar Jackson. And they played some crappy teams this year. But, you know, Miles has a chance. Cool. Rookie Materials. RM29. I will put you, sir, right there. Then you got Leighton Vander Esch. Dude's a stud. Out of Boise State, playing for them Broncos. You got Alvin Kamara. Another great back for New Orleans. We got 3 more packs to go. So we pulled a memorabilia. So does that mean we're done? Isn't there a chance for more? I mean, we may have met our average. But averages, why would they say on average, right? Is that in case one doesn't hit? They can be like, I told you, it's an average. What we got here? Clelin Ferrell. Terry McLaurin. Hey, we got Sweat again. Joe Jackson. Sorry, Joe Jackson. What was this? We have a Will Greer. Green parallel. Rookie. So I'll put you there with you. And then we have a Kevin, as I like to call, Kevin Byard. Base. Le'Veon Bell. Base. Patrick Peterson. Base. All right. Let's keep it going till the next part. All right. So many packs to open. Trevion Williams. Darius Slayton. Is that Joan Williams? What's up, bro? Josh Jacobs. Plural. Antonio Brown. Parallel green. No longer with the Rams. Russell Wilson. Base. Base. We got the captain himself, Ben. And Case Keenum. I can't find a team. Case Keenum. He's probably playing. But is he? Alright, final pack. Is there a chance for anything special? We got Sean Murphy Boating. Devin Singletary. Miles Gaskin. Jamel Dean. What is this? Larry Fitzgerald in the red zone. Good stuff. We have a Josh Allen, which is not the green parallel, but the standard, so you can go there. Oh, and then we have Antonio Brown, not the green parallel. We got Matthew Stafford. I still play for Detroit. Stafford. Well, look at that. I mean, if you like rookie cards, look at that. That's a healthy dose. I think 32 of the cards are rookies. We got four per pack. We got a rookie material, memorabilia, jersey swatch. We got 3 green parallels. One's kind of iffed. We got a Patrick. And then inserts. Larry Fitzgerald red zone. We have a I'm going to play football someday, I hope. We have team trios with the Steelers. We have NFL icons with Mr. Brady. And then we've got Cam Chancellor, Gridiron Force for the Seahawks. So 1, 2, 5 inserts there. The 3 parallels, a material, 32 rookies, and a decent stack of base. So there you go. 2019 Absolute Football. 64 card box. I got this one at Target as well because I was there and they had lots of things. So I bought them to open for you guys. Thanks for watching. Let's do it again.